How to make a secret base using the copper golem in Minecraft. So when a copper golem fully oxidizes, if it's not waxed, it turns into a statue, and you can use these copper golem statues with redstone. So this is a combination lock set up to a piston door to make the secret base. I'm going to set the combination to be correct and show you that this is how it works. So as you can see, this is how it opens. Now this is with the redstone all powered, and this is what the redstone looks like itself. I'm not the best at redstone, so you might be able to make this more compact or more efficient, but this is it as an example. So how this works is for each of the different signals you want. So this is one, for example, you want one bit of redstone and a torch beside it. If you want to set to 2 for the right combination lock, you want 2 bits of redstone and a torch beside the furthest bit of redstone, and the same for the other ones as well. You can customize what you want the combination to be, so you can have longer lines of redstone. It doesn't need to be in order like this. You can have whatever combination you do want. You can also move it around, so you don't have to have all of them right next to each other. You could have them dotted around a base or an area, and then people have to set them to the right position, all of them to be able to open the door. So after the redstone torch, you want another bit of redstone and also a redstone repeater like so near the block, and then you basically just need to connect this all together. So connect all the repeaters together, and also you want redstone from your redstone torch and connect this redstone together. So when the redstone is not powered here and when the redstone torch is off, the door is open. But if I do go ahead and if I do close one of these, so I'm going to change that one for example, as you can see, this redstone is now powered and therefore the door is now shut, and the redstone torch that is incorrect is set to being on rather than set to being off. So if you have all of these set to incorrect, then you will have all the redstone torches be on, but obviously the ones that right now are set to still be correct are still actually off. So when it is incorrect, the redstone gets powered and then it will power the piston door and shut it. So when the piston door is not powered, then it is actually open, and when it is powered, then it is shut. So if you place an iron door correctly, you can hook this up to just an iron door, or you can hook this up to a secret door like this one as an example. I'm going to run through the redstone for this real quick. However, if you do want a more in-depth video on how to make a piston door step by step, let me know in the comment section down below. Basically though, all this is doing is it is powering some pistons. So as you can see, for the door to be shut, the pistons are actually powered, and it's pistons that are pushing another piston. So this is the redstone on top of the pistons. It's just a repeater facing into a block, a repeater facing into another block, and then redstone in the middle like so. I'm going to actually open this door real quick because I think it's going to be easier to be able to show you the piston. So there's a piston right here, another piston beside it, and then a piston the other side of this dirt block as well. So 3 pistons there in total. And then there's also 2 pistons underneath this dirt right here, as you can see. And then there's also the same for the other side as well. Then below the bottom pistons, there's redstone dust leading up here. There's then a glass block here with a redstone on top, and there's also redstone underneath this block right here, underneath the glass block, and then redstone on this glass block as well, and then redstone on both of these pistons. And then there's also redstone on both the pistons on the other side as well. Like I said, let me know in the comments if you want to see a step-by-step guide of how to build a piston door. But you can literally just use any piston door that you do want to for this, any secret entrance, and combine it with the copper golem statues to be able to make this into a secret base using the copper golem. Also, this is recorded on Bedrock edition, so I'm not sure if the piston door is going to work on Java, but if it doesn't, something very similar will, and you can just build any piston door that you do want.